CASE is now making telematics easier and more intuitive with CASE SiteWatch, our next generation telematics platform. The SiteWatch platform comes with a dashboard, an intuitive navigation, and an overview section that spotlights critical information without requiring the user to search extensively through the portal. SiteWatch is easy to use whether you're in the office or out in the field, and it complies with AENP 2.0 telematics standards. This makes it deployable across mixed fleets of all sizes and allows you to view your entire fleet in a single interface. An easy drop-down menu provides access to critical reports on equipment utilization, fuel consumption, and maintenance. And it's easy to set up additional reports that details specific alerts and barcodes. Information from SiteWatch, such as alerts and reminders, can be shared with your crew and your dealer in real time to help expedite any service the machine may require. Working together to ensure optimum uptime and the greatest possible performance for your equipment, SiteWatch provides you with many benefits in addition to fleet management, including the ability to analyze workload and productivity, improve record keeping and long-term analysis, improve billing and estimating, and enhancing equipment security by preventing unauthorized use. CASE SiteWatch is the gateway to powerful information that will guide the health and performance of your fleet.